Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're going to be tackling a question
Hmm.
that I bet you've pondered yourself at one point or another.
Yeah.
How do all of those websites and apps you see
Right.
actually make money?
Good question.
And we've got two insightful articles from Empire Flippers and Forbes to help guide our exploration of popular online business models.
Okay.
So think of this deep dive as like your crash course
I like.
in digital entrepreneurship.
Yeah, I like it.
We're going to uncover the key models, dissect their pros and cons,
Yeah.
and sprinkle in some real-world examples to make it all click.
Okay.
Whether you're dreaming of launching your own venture
Right.
or simply want to grasp the mechanics of the modern business world,
Yeah.
we've got you covered.
Awesome. It's fascinating how the digital age has truly democratized business.
Right.
Like these articles highlight just how easy it's become to start and scale a company online.
And reach a global audience.
Exactly. Reaching a global audience in a way that traditional brick-and-mortar businesses could only dream of.
Right. Forget one-off sales.
Yeah.
These models are designed to bring in that sweet
Oh, yeah.
cash flow consistently.
Recurring revenue.
It's a total game changer
Absolutely.
from the old school way of doing business.
For sure.
But let's get down to brass tacks.
Okay.
Empire Flippers kicks things off with AdSense,
All right.
which is about as straightforward as it gets.
Yeah.
Imagine like plastering digital billboards
Okay.
all over your website.
Yeah.
Every time someone clicks on one of those ads, boom, you get paid.
It's the lifeblood of countless blogs and news sites.
Yeah.
You've definitely seen AdSense in action as you've browsed the web.
Yeah.
Think of those sponsored posts or banner ads that seem to follow you around.
Right.
But here's the kicker. Savvy website owners aren't just
Right.
randomly slapping ads wherever they can fit them.
Yeah.
They're strategically placing them
Yeah.
based on user behavior and website analytics to maximize those clicks and boost their earnings.
Okay, now what if you want to step beyond ads and actually sell products?
Okay.
That's where the wonderful world of affiliate marketing comes in.
Right.
The Empire Flippers article uses the example of handmade pottery,
Okay.
which I love.
Yeah.
Imagine you're a pottery enthusiast with a blog or social media following.
Okay.
You could partner with companies selling pottery supplies, glazes, or even finished pieces.
Yeah.
Every time someone buys through your unique affiliate link,
Yeah.
Chongqing, you earn a commission.
What's brilliant about this model is its low barrier to entry.
Right.
You don't need to manufacture products, deal with inventory, or handle shipping logistics.
Right.
It's all about building an audience that trusts your recommendations.
Yeah, and think about it.
Yep.
You're probably more likely to buy something if a friend or someone you follow online recommends it.
That's right.
Right.
Absolutely.
But hold on, the Empire Flippers article highlights another interesting twist: dropshipping.
Oh, yeah. Drop shipping.
Picture this. You launch a snazzy online store. Yeah.
But here's the catch.
Okay.
You never actually touch the products.
Oh, wow.
It's like running a virtual storefront.
Okay.
Your supplier handles everything from warehousing to shipping.
Interesting.
Talk about streamlining your operation.
Dropshipping can be incredibly appealing,
Yeah.
especially for entrepreneurs looking to test different products and markets without a huge upfront investment.
Yeah.
However, there are some potential pitfalls to be aware of.
Okay.
Finding reliable suppliers is crucial,
Right.
and you're still heavily reliant on marketing to drive traffic to your store.
Right.
The article even mentions that many successful dropshippers eventually transition to building their own brands
Yeah, that makes sense.
and sourcing products directly to gain more control over their businesses.
Why just be the middleman when you can be the maestro of your own product line?
Exactly.
But before we get ahead of ourselves,
Okay.
Empire Flippers dives into another popular avenue,
Okay.
Amazon FBA.
Think of it as setting up shop within the biggest digital mall on the planet.
I like it.
You leverage Amazon's massive platform,
Yeah.
their traffic,
Uh-huh.
their loyal customer base.
Yeah.
You just bring the products and let their fulfillment network handle the rest.
It's a tempting proposition,
Mm.
especially if you're looking for quick visibility and access to a global audience.
Right.
But don't be fooled by the allure of simplicity.
Okay.
Competition on Amazon is fierce.
Right.
You need a compelling product
Yeah.
that stands out from the crowd,
Yeah.
a smart pricing strategy,
Yeah.
and a solid marketing plan to succeed.
Right.
And of course, you have to play by Amazon's rules and factor in their fees,
Yeah.
which can eat into your profits.
So it's a high stakes, high reward kind of game.
Definitely.
Now let's talk about the OG of online retail,
Okay.
E-commerce.
All right.
This is where you build your own independent online store from the ground up.
Okay.
You source products,
Yeah.
manage inventory, handle shipping, and craft your brand identity.
It's definitely a more hands-on approach,
Right.
requiring a wider skill set and more upfront effort.
Yeah.
But that control can be incredibly valuable.
Yeah.
You own your customer data. You have the freedom to shape the entire shopping experience.
Right.
And you build a direct relationship with your audience.
It's like building your own digital kingdom.
Exactly.
But let's not forget about the tech-savvy entrepreneurs out there.
Right.
The Empire Flippers article delves into software as a service, better known as SaaS.
Yeah, so.
It's the realm of creating software solutions that solve specific problems and offering them on a subscription basis. Think project management tools, email marketing platforms, or even design software.
SaaS has become incredibly popular.
Right.
And for good reason.
Yeah.
The recurring revenue model is a major draw.
Right.
Instead of relying on one-time purchases, you're generating a steady stream of income from subscriptions. It's a model that's particularly attractive to investors.
Right.
As it offers predictability and scalability.
Okay, but what if your superpower is knowledge rather than coding? That's where info products come in.
All right.
Imagine packaging your expertise into online courses, ebooks, webinars, or even coaching programs.
Yeah.
You create the content once,
Right.
and then you can sell it over and over again, reaching a global audience hungry for what you know.
It's a brilliant way to leverage your skills and passions.
Right.
Think about it. Then maybe you're a whiz at photography, graphic design, or playing the ukulele.
Yeah.
You can create a course teaching others your craft.
Right.
Building a community around your shared interest.
Yeah.
And generating income from your knowledge. It's a win-win.
Now, we can't forget about the ubiquitous apps that dominate our digital lives, whether it's a game, a productivity tool, or a social networking platform. Apps have become essential to how we work, play, and connect.
It's a massive market with immense potential.
Right.
But it's also incredibly competitive.
Yeah.
To stand out, you need a truly unique concept, a user-friendly design that keeps people coming back for more, and a solid marketing plan to cut through the noise.
So it's about more than just a cool idea. Yeah. It's about understanding the app ecosystem and finding your niche.
Yeah.
Now, let's shift gears slightly and talk about productized services.
Good.
This is where you take a service like web design, copywriting, or even life coaching, and package it into a clear, defined product with set pricing and deliverables.
It's a brilliant way to streamline your offerings and eliminate the ambiguity that often comes with traditional service-based businesses.
Right.
Clients know exactly what they're getting, how much it will cost, and what to expect in terms of deliverables.
Right.
It also helps you, the service provider, to manage your time more effectively and avoid the dreaded scope creep.
It's like creating a menu of services instead of having to negotiate every detail with each client.
Exactly.
Much smoother.
Yes.
And finally, Empire Flippers covers a model that might be lesser known, but incredibly valuable.
Okay, what's that?
Lead generation.
Lead gen. Okay.
Think of it as being a digital matchmaker, connecting businesses with potential customers.
Okay.
It's a model that works well in both local and international markets.
Okay.
Imagine you're connecting plumbers with homeowners in your city or software companies with potential clients worldwide.
Right.
You're essentially generating leads that these businesses can then nurture and convert into paying customers.
We're all about making those connections.
Okay, that's quite a rundown of the models highlighted in the Empire Flippers article.
Yeah, for sure.
But our deep dive wouldn't be complete without considering a few additional models from the Forbes piece that are especially relevant to the digital era. First up, we have aggregator sites.
Aggregator sites, okay.
Things travel booking sites, price comparison websites, or even news aggregators.
Okay.
They pull together information from various sources and present it in a user-friendly way.
Okay.
Making it easier for consumers to compare and make informed decisions.
Aggregator sites are all about convenience and efficiency.
Right?
They save us time and effort by doing the legwork of research and comparison shopping.
Yeah.
Imagine trying to book a flight without Kayak or Expedia.
Oh my God.
You'd be sifting through dozens of airline websites,
right,
each with their own pricing structures and booking processes.
Right.
Aggregators simplify that experience.
They're like the digital concierges of the online world.
Exactly.
Now, here's a model that's truly revolutionized how entrepreneurs and creators get their projects off the ground.
Okay.
Crowdfunding.
Crowdfunding.
It's all about tapping into the collective power of a community to raise funds for a specific project or venture. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo have democratized access to capital, allowing people to bypass traditional funding sources and go straight to the people who believe in their vision.
Crowdfunding isn't just about the money.
Right.
It's about building a community around your idea, validating your concept, and getting early feedback from potential customers.
Yeah.
It's also a great way to generate buzz and pre-orders before your product or service even launches.
Like a launch pad for your dreams.
Exactly.
It's amazing to see how these different models have emerged and evolved in the digital era.
Yeah.
It's like a whole new world of possibilities has opened up.
And what's even more fascinating is how these models often overlap and intersect.
Right.
An e-commerce site might incorporate affiliate marketing.
Yeah.
Or a FOSS company might offer a freemium model.
Right.
The lines are blurring.
Yeah.
Creating a dynamic and interconnected digital landscape.
So, with all these incredible options, how do you choose the right business model for you?
Ooh, that's the question.
That's the million-dollar question.
Yeah.
And one we'll be tackling in part 2 of our deep dive.
Can't wait.
Stay tuned.
All right. We've covered a lot of ground, haven't we?
It's exciting to see all these possibilities, but I can also understand if it feels a bit overwhelming.
Yeah, like drinking from a fire hose.
Exactly. It's like standing in front of a dessert buffet with unlimited choices.
Too many options.
Where you even start?
Yeah, that's the question.
Luckily, both articles offer some really insightful guidance on this.
Okay, good.
They both stress that choosing a business model isn't about blindly chasing the latest trends.
Yeah.
It's about finding that sweet spot where your passions and skills align with the model that genuinely makes sense for you.
For you.
The Empire Flippers article really dives into this at the end.
Yeah.
They encourage readers to think about their personality and what they truly want to get out of an online business.
Okay.
Are you a systems person who thrives on automation and optimization?
Right.
Or are you more drawn to creative expression and building a vibrant online community?
Good question.
Those are some big questions to ask yourself.
And the answers will point you in different directions.
Right.
Someone who loves writing and connecting with people might thrive with AdSense or affiliate marketing.
Right.
They can build a website or blog centered around their passions and monetize it through ads, or those carefully curated affiliate links we talked about.
But hold on, I'm already thinking, wouldn't that require a ton of content creation?
Right.
And constantly hustling to stay visible online?
Yeah, could be a lot.